Hello everyone, welcome to one more practice equilibrium with me. Let's start in a comfortable position with your hands under your knees and closing our eyes for a little moment of connection. A moment in which we can focus our energy and our presence on the next few minutes that we'll be together. So inhale, raise your arms to the sky. Exhale, let's side bend to the left. Open your chest, looking up to the sky, to the ceiling. Expand your body. Remember to breathe in and breathe out. Let's switch sides now. Now you side bend to your right. Open your shoulder. Look into the sky. Extend. Feel the stretch on your next inhale. Let's come back to the center. And let's go to our hands and knees position. Let's start moving with some cat-cows. So inhale, look up. Exhale, arch your back, look into your belly. Again, inhale, look up. And exhale to your belly. One more time. Inhale, look up, open your chest, and exhale, look into your belly. And let's come into child's pose. And let's take a moment here. Close your eyes and ask yourself, how are you feeling today? How is your energy? How is your thoughts? Be aware of the present moment. Breathe in and breathe out, and slowly come into upward facing dog. Open your chest, push the floor away from you. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Slowly touch your toes and come to downward facing dog. As is your first downward facing dog of today, let's move your legs, move your body in each way that he asking for. And let's hold our downward facing dog. Let's take deep breath ins and deep breath outs. Deepen your breath, deepen your body, your soul, connection with your mind, with the present moment. Slowly, let's wave-like motion to high plank position and exhale, come back to downward facing dog. So inhale, wave-like motion, exhale, bend your knees and come back to downward facing dog. One more time, inhale and exhale, downward facing dog. Let's hold for a breath, because on your next inhale, we come back to plank position and prepare to your chaturanga of your choice. So exhale, come to the floor. Inhale, push the floor away, open your chest. And exhale, back to downward facing dog. Let's hold for one breath. Because on your next inhale, raise your right leg to the sky And exhale, step your right foot to the front of your mat. Touch your left knee to the floor. Inhale, let's open. Sink your hips, keeping your front knee under your front heel. Breathe in and breathe out. Now we touch our left hand to the floor. Inhale, extend your right arm to the sky. Hold. And slowly, let's raise your body while our right hand comes to the back of our left leg and your left arm goes up to the sky. A deep opening. Exhale, come back to the first position and let's extend our right leg. Inhale, bend your knee. Extend on your exhale. Inhale, bend your knee, look up. And exhale, extend your right leg. And let's hold on this position. Feeling this stretch on your right leg, on your quads. Hold for one more second. On your next inhale, come back to the first position. Touch your toes and come back to downward facing dog. Let's hold our downward facing dog for a moment, stabilizing our body, our mind. Exhale, we slowly come back to plank and do your chaturanga dandasana. Exhale to the floor. Inhale, open up. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. Hold for one more breath. Inhale, exhale. Hold the position, feeling your body. On your next inhale, raise your left leg now to the sky. And exhale, step your left foot between your hands. Touch your right knee to the floor. Inhale, open up. Sink your body, sink your hip to the floor. Feeling this nice stretch on the other side. And let's touch our right hand to the floor. And exhale, raise your left arm. Look up to the sky. Hold. Breathe in, breathe out. On your next inhale, raise your body up. Your left hand come to the back of your right leg and your right arm is up. Exhale, come back to the first position and extend your front knee. Inhale, look up, dip your hip. Exhale, extend. Inhale, look up. And exhale, extend your front knee. And let's hold on this position. Now working on our left leg. Try to dip your breath. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come back up. Touch your toes. And let's go back to downward facing dog. Let's hold on our downward dog for a moment. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, come back to plank position. And let's go to our chaturanga. Exhale to the floor. Inhale, push up the floor away. Open your body. And exhale, Now let's come to child's pose. Let's take deep breath in and deep breath out. Ask yourself again how you're feeling in this very present moment. How you're feeling after moving, after flowing, before we continue with our practice today. Inhale for your nose. Exhale, let's roll up your body. Stand up, sit down on your knees, and bring your hands to the front of your chest. Slowly, let's bring now our legs to the front of your mat. Sit down and let's cross our left leg under the right one. Hold your left leg. Inhale and exhale, look to the back, giving this nice twist to your body, to your spine. Inhale and exhale, slowly come back, look to your front, extend your left leg, inhale, raise your arms and exhale. Let's fold from our hip, relaxing your body in the top of your legs. Deep breath. Inhale slowly, come back up. Let's cross now our right leg under to the left. Exhale, look to your back, twisting from the other side now. Inhale, exhale, slowly and conscious, coming back, look to your front. Join the soles of your feet together. Inhale and exhale, coming down again. Once more, giving this nice stretch to your back and also to your hips. Working on the opening of your hips. Inhale and exhale, slowly coming back up. Extend your legs in the front. Support your hands behind your spine. And as you inhale, raise your hips, keeping the soles of your feet on the ground and looking up or to your back. In this nice chest opening, slowly return to the ground, bend your knees. Inhale, bringing your hands forward, and as you exhale, begin to tilt your body downwards to prepare for the boat position. Inhale, raising your right leg up, hold, and let's switch sides. Now inhale, raise your left leg, extend your leg, hold, exhale, feet to the ground, and let's go to our full version. Extend the two legs in front of your eyes. Hold this boat position. You can bend your knees if you want. It's a easier version, or you can keep extend. Just for one more second and slowly touch your legs to the floor. Inhale, raise your arms and exhale. Let's come back like we start the class today. Sit with the legs crossed in front of you. And let's have a nice stretch to your neck. So hold at one side of your head, keeping the other hand to the floor. giving the neck this nice stretch. Let's switch positions, switch sides. Remember to breathe in, to breathe out. Exhale, back to the center. Let's have a nice head roll. So study for each direction as you prefer. Slow movements, feeling all this movement working on the muscles of your neck. Relax your shoulders, relax your entire body. And that's it. Let's raise your arms for the last time. Give a nice stretch. Inhale. Exhale, hands to our third eye. Let's be grateful for our body, for this practice. Let's finish with the hands in the front of our hearts. That's it. Thank you so much to join me in one more practice here in Casa Equilíbrio. And let's go ahead with our day. I'm here with Tofi, and we send a lot of love to you. See you next time. Thank you. Namaste.